Rotem Pro. I have a problem for my screen. See, it's going black. You can see it's very low figures. Everything work fine. Everything working good. All the fan and everything. The problem is in the main screen. They're going dim. You never see what's going on. And very hard to see. And today I can show you who can fix this problem. Open the door and open this cover sheet. And you can see is this blue thing, this one. This is control your light. It's very easy to fix. You can see they can come back on. Sometimes they're going blank and you can adjust these. This one is control your numbers light, so you can adjust that one. It's good to go. Thank you. Have a nice day.